Hello, welcome to the Riccio Werkstatt. Riccio in Italian means hedgehog, and this movement is the hedgehog greeting. In today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing of this package. I ordered some Paul Rubens oil pastels, namely one such giant one, and then I ordered the 72 color set. Here we go. Wow, I'm so happy. Let's open first this giant one. You see, it comes in its own little box. It's really huge. And now I'm trying to open it. I think this one was something like 7 euros. And yeah, you can see it's very big. It has this paper coating with some stripes so that you can remove them one by one. It has the color number, the light fastness rating, the indication if it's opaque or transparent, and then the number of the pigments that are contained. Let's keep it here. Maybe I'm gonna swatch it later and react to its consistency. And you see also it has this tip. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like it. Now let's go to the 72 colors. And I've heard that these are super creamy, and yeah, I just wanted to maybe, also use these oil pastels for doing some quick sketches, some preparatory work, some exploratory work. Yeah, therefore I decided to get this one. I think this box with 72 colors was something like 45 euros, more or less. And yeah, now I'm gonna open it. So you see, they are called Hayia oil pastels, Paul Rubens oil pastel. Let more people like Chinese colors. Let's see how they are. Let's have a look at the back. And here on the back we have also a color chart with a number, name, light fastness ratings, and the indication if it's opaque. I think it's the black square, transparent white square, and semi-opaque or semi-transparent, this half black, half white square. So here we go. I can open it. Oh, I'm really excited. Are you ready? Ba-da-ba-bam! The box is quite nice. It's a cardboard box. Here we have again, okay, a list with all the colors in the different sets. So this is the set of 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and 72. 72 is the largest box that there is, which is the one that I got. And then there are some explanations in Chinese and in English. And here there are some techniques explained. And yeah, this part seems to be only in Chinese. Yeah, nice to have this kind of little prospect. Then here we have, wow, a color chart to fill in. And then, here are the pastels. Wow, so many. They have a particular smell. Maybe it's this one. No, I think it's Yeah, they have a special smell, and as you can see already from the box, they seem to be very creamy. This is what I heard. And now I think let's go with a swatch. Wow, I really like the texture of this one. It's super creamy. You don't even have to apply any pressure. It's fantastic. Very creamy. And yeah, I'm looking forward to use it. And I like the fact that it's, you see, you can do a trade where you cover the paper completely, or also if you go light, it's not completely black, so you can like play a bit with shadow and light, I think, using this one. Wow, definitely I'm happy with the purchase. And now I swatched all the colors. Okay, here we go. I've swatched all of them, and let's make some comments. So, first of all, I really like the fact that there is an indication about the opacity of the pastel, even though I must say I don't always agree with them. For example, with the classification, for example, this olive green 046, you can see it here. It's classified as opaque, but for me it's not really completely opaque. Like, for example, this 032 would be a very opaque color for me, the Indian red, Venetian red, it's called. So I would classify this as really completely opaque, while this is for me semi-opaque. But yeah, I think there is some kind of, it's a bit an individual judgment as well, probably. You see that there are quite many colors that are kind of transparent. Personally, I prefer opaque colors, but it's a matter of taste. And with transparent colors, you can also create some effects where you can let the underlying color play a role as well. I like the fact that about this palette that there is a mix between very vibrant colors and a bit more muted colors. For example, this is kind of muted, this as well. Here in the blues, in the browns, here, these ones. I like the mix. I like the combination. Yeah, a note on this 006 pale blue. This is the only one which I thought didn't feel as creamy as the others, but still creamy. I have to say I'm quite satisfied with these colors. Yeah, let me know if you've tried them as well. What's your experience with them? Let me know if you have questions. That's all from this unboxing. I'm a satisfied customer for now. Many thanks for watching this video until the end. And I'll see you in the next video.